Well, in its market debut, Telus International shares soared even after the company increased its IPO pricing. For more, let's bring in Business in Vancouver's Hayley Woodin. Hayley, good morning to you. So what's behind the spike in stocks?
Well, it seems as though there's an appetite for what this company is offering. The IPO priced shares at $25 a share, which was at the high end of Telus International's pricing range. They immediately started trading above 30% yesterday morning, and they closed the day up nearly 60% or closer to $40 a share. Now, for those who don't know, Telus International is a spinoff out of Telus. They offer digital IT services to more than 600 customers around the world, including some of the biggest names around Google, Airbnb, and PayPal. And it seems as though investors expect that there's room for Telus International to continue to grow.
All right, Hayley, let's shift gears now to a new report into concerns about pollution relating to cruise ships. What are the key findings here?
That's right. This report argues that cruise ships off of the West Coast use BC as a toilet bowl because federal regulations of this industry are weaker than the regulations in both Alaska and Washington. Now, cruise ships are allowed to discharge 31 billion liters of sewage and grey water off of BC's coast and any Canadian water. That already is weaker than the regulations in U.S. states. And the report argues that that number could actually be a lot bigger because of weak monitoring and reporting controls. So the authors, Standard and West Coast Environmental Law, are looking for a couple of things ahead of the cruise ship industry restart post-pandemic. They'd like to see Canada ban any kind of discharge of untreated water or pollution in Canadian waters. And they also argue in favor of a total ban of any kind of pollution discharge in sensitive environmental areas, such as in Puget Sound.
Interesting. All right. Business in Vancouver's Hayley Woodin joining us this morning. Hayley, thanks so much.
Thanks, me too.